away they go. Golden Song, 11 yan, Queen Rushing at Spanish Drums. And on the federal side, Luna Rosa, bahala na. Money Bank, down on the inside. Soda War, running in 7th position. Speedy Maki, down on 8. As they lead the straight, Golden Song, followed by 11 yan, Queen. The Spanish Drums racing in 3rd by Hapaland. Money Bank is racing in 4th, running 5th. Luna Rosa, Speedy Maki running in 6th. Soda War running in 7th. As they round the 3/4 mile distance, Golden Song by a length and a half, Spanish Drums. And running in 3rd is Luna Rosa, 11 yan, Queen. Money Bank. Soda War is racing in 6th by a length and a half, Speedy Maki. As they pass the last 800, Luna Rosa is now the leader, Spanish Drums. 11 yan, Queen, rushing up is entry number 7, Soda War. Golden Song. As they rounding the far turn, Luna Rosa by a length and a half. It's Luna Rosa, 11 yan, Queen, rushing up, Soda War. Money Bank down on the inside. Last 450, Money Bank, now the leader. 11 yan, Queen, Soda War. Luna Rosa, Speedy Maki as they race the final corner. Money Bank by some 3 lengths now. Soda War, Luna Rosa, 11 yan, Queen, Speedy Maki, Golden Song. And nearing the finish line, Money Bank by some 3 lengths. Soda War, 11 yan, Queen, Speedy Maki. And finally, number 1, Money Bank. Second, Soda War, Speedy Maki, 11 yan, Queen, Golden Hana, and Luna Rosa for your Super 6.